Welcome friends to SPN Consultancy. I'm back again with another useful video for all of you. As we were doing the numerology section, so I will be continuing the second part of it. In the last part, I told you about the numbering kundli, how it was formed, and what are the planets and what were their deities. So we will take the same example of 17th March 1965. Before that, anybody new to my channel, do like and share and subscribe it, and don't forget to press the icon bell so that any video uploaded by me will be notified to you. So without wasting time, let's come to the screen. Let me share it out with all of you. As today is Wednesday, so let me take the color. Today is Friday, so let me take the color according to Friday. So the date was 17/3/1965. 17/3/1965. Let me draw the Loshu grid. As all of you know, the default numbering system of the Loshu, here it will be 492357. Let me draw it for you once again. 492357 and 812. This is the default numbering. So I will rub it from here, as I won't be having such space. So the numbering and the date of birth was 17/3/1965. So we'll put this birth of details in this Loshu. As one will come here, 7319665, and as the total of these numbers, if we add these numbers, it will come to 32, and we again add 32, then it is going to come at 5. So we will provide 5 over here in the middle part. So here I have provided all the numbers. So looking at this chart, we can say that as there are 2 5 numbers, so we can say the person with these number, we can say the person of this birth date can be a very communicative one. His speech will be very good, as 2 5s are there, and the plane 951 is totally matching. So as it denotes the willpower, so we can say that the willpower of this native will be excellent one. And here 3 boxes are missing, 1 2 and 3. Here this box denotes to number 2, here it denotes to number 4, and here it denotes to number 8. As number 2 will be of moon. As we all know, moon, if moon planet is missing, number 2 is missing, then we can say that this person will be very emotional. If anybody tells him something harshly, then this type of person may feel very guilty, or he may cry also. The person with missing number 4, then we can say, as this planet denotes to Rahu, and Rahu is generally used for skillful activities, so maybe he will be lacking some sort of skillful activities, and he may be lacking in technical also. Then if we come to number 8, if number 8 is missing, number 8 governs to Saturn planet, so we can say that this type of person can be lazy in his walk. He won't be a disciplined one in his day-to-day activities. And I hope it is clear to everybody regarding the numbers, how it is seen, how it is placed, what about the missing numbers. If anybody of you is having any sort of problem in understanding it, then they can comment me in the comment box so that I can reply it back to you. My other videos are also in the description box. You can check it out. They are also of great use to all of you. And if anybody wants to take any sort of consultation from me, then they can mail me on my mail ID. It is provided in the description box. And if anybody wants to change their names according to numerology, then they can also mail me. So I hope this video is of great use to all of you. So we'll be back again with another useful video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.